The benefits of health insurance and how it protects you and your family. Health insurance can feel like another line item on your monthly budget, but it is actually one of the most important ways to protect your finances and the people you love. If something unexpected happens to you or someone in your family, thankfully, there are several health insurance companies that offer plans with affordable costs, so you should be able to find an option that works within your budget and fits your needs. Here are some of the reasons why health insurance is important. Know what's covered. Health insurance protects you and your family from unexpected health care costs, such as a sudden injury or illness. It can also cover expensive treatments for chronic conditions like cancer. The Affordable Care Act (ACA) created new protections for people with pre-existing conditions, meaning that those with a history of heart disease or cancer are no longer at risk of being denied coverage or charged more than others. With all these benefits, it's clear to see why health insurance is so important. Know how much you have to pay upfront. When you get health insurance, you have to pay a monthly premium in order to maintain your coverage. Typically, the higher the monthly payment, the lower the deductible, and vice versa. For example, if you have a low deductible plan with a $10,000 annual maximum out-of-pocket expense limit, then your out-of-pocket expense will be $10,000 annually. Look at quality versus cost. It is important to invest in health insurance because no one can predict when an accident or injury will occur. It's even more difficult to predict when a chronic illness will develop. This is why health insurance coverage is crucial for everyone, not just for those with pre-existing conditions. A typical Affordable Care Act plan will cover 80% of the cost for certain medical care, which can help reduce the financial burden on patients who have been prescribed expensive treatment options. Shop around for the best coverage in order to find the right health insurance plan for you. Compare different plans by looking at their premiums, deductibles, co-pays, and out-of-pocket maximums. Make sure your employer offers a variety of plans to choose from. Have an emergency fund. An emergency fund is a savings account that you only use in case of an emergency. It's designed to help you cover unexpected expenses, such as a car repair or a medical bill. If something does happen, you'll have money available to take care of the problem without going into debt. Ideally, your fund should be enough so that if one person lost their job, the other person could still provide for their family for 3 months. Check with your employer about benefits. If you are employed, talk to your human resources department about your company's benefits. They will most likely be able to help you find a health insurance plan that is right for you and your family. If you are not employed, T.